Hello everyone, hope you're doing well today. I know I am. Today I want to share with you a website that I am promoting. It's called Market Health, Health and Beauty Affiliate Network. And one of the reasons that I like promoting this particular website is because of the many products that it offers. It's not a website that just offers one product and that's it. This offers a lot of products in a lot of different categories, and that's why I like it. You can go down here and you can see what they offer, and that's colon health, email offers, health and beauty stores, pet health, skincare, teeth whitening, women's health and beauty, weight loss products, sports nutrition, sexual health, men's health, general health products, cosmetics, business opportunities and latest offers. This website pretty much has it all for you. Like I said, they're not limited to one thing. This has a lot to offer right here. Lots of products, lots of good products, and beautiful landing pages too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description box below the video. Click on that link, check out Market Health, look at the products, and then you can click on the code, get your affiliate link, and start promoting your business or any product you want to promote on this website. It's really easy and it's fun, and you can make some pretty decent money doing this. I really enjoy promoting this one. Don't forget, I'm going to put the link in the description box below the video. Click on that link. It'll take you to Market Health. Sign up and start promoting these products. All kinds of good stuff here. Alright, y'all take care and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.